Yeah, kittens. Heard Mama sneezing, so I thought I'd come in to check on her. She's good. Might have been Egon. She was nibbling on the leftover dinner. Raised in the box. Come here, Mama. I love that it almost seems like she can understand me. Hey, Egon. Dig your hole so you can go potty. Dig one hole. This is the fourth hole he's dug already. I did turn the volume up a little bit. Hopefully you can hear me better. If you're wondering why the picture looks smaller, it's because I switched back to the older cam and it has a more narrow field of view. What are you shaking your paw for? I think it was just the kittens that were sneezing that I heard. Since they were right up against the fence, I couldn't tell. You still need to go poop. Go poop. Go on. Do your business. During my earlier visit, Janine finally noticed a turtle inside the bowl here, and she was like wondering, what the heck? It was almost comical. She was circling around it. If you can hear that, that's Mama. Okay, let's test it out. I can safely say that Janine is ready for adoption, that she has been socialized. I predict that she's going to become very playful when she gets a home of her own and she can finally let go of the mama duties. She's definitely one of the more playful moms that I've seen, where that she started playing far earlier than most of them do. She's definitely young still. She's absolutely adorable. And with fostering, I ensure the kittens get enough socialization, but that's easy. You just gotta sit here and that happens. But the mama cats take more work, and they're the main focus. And when she first got here, every time I came in the room, she'd be hissing at me. And I'd always have to approach her cage slowly so she could see me first. There's your turtle. I freed it. Denying me. Aw, you're beautiful. You know that? I'll be announcing next week the adoption process and when you can start submitting your applications if you're interested in adopting Janine or the kittens. I think these boys are going to be a wet food type of cat. No, they're probably switched to dry food once they're on their own. So if you are interested in adopting the kittens, be prepared to feed them wet because they sure Egon will eat the dry food when it's with his wet food. Ray's a little bit more discerning of his palate. Depending on the home, the kittens can be adopted together, though their personalities are such that they'll do fine being adopted separately. Janine will probably do better in a house with no other cats, at least at first, because she's still in mommy mode, and it may take a little while for her to fully relax. I say that because when she was at the vet for spay and eye surgery, she was growling at all the other cats. But then again, that was a very stressful situation. Though she did see some kittens and was murring at them. So she was definitely still in mama mode. I believe that she would be fine with another cat eventually. When I opened the door like a crack, so Savvy could peek her nose in. Savvy could care less about other cats. Uh, Janine got right up to the door, sniffed a few times, and then hissed. Uh-oh, somebody's ear is folded. Go show everyone your folded ear. Oh, he unfolded it. I keep forgetting to bring my camera in here. When I go down to get my camera, I'll forget those get my camera. I think with my next litter, number 42, I'm going to try something different with the layout of the room. Right now, you can think of this as their play area. The cam is located in this corner, aimed this way. They might put in the cam over there. So basically, there's a lot more playroom, and you can see the whole wall here. One of the viewers sent me a dorm chair, which is basically just a curved seat, but I can't put it in here because there's no room for it except for right here. But then the kittens would use it to climb up into the window and off that way. I got you, Egon. I got you, Ray. Whoops, she dropped your toy. Face off. Janine will most likely never be a type of cat that you can pick up and hold or sit in your lap. I think she's definitely be the type of cat that'll sit right next to you and purr and purr and purr. Isn't that right, lady? You're getting your fuzz back. Her fur's growing in where she had her surgery. It's a little peach fuzz right now. She's laying on it. Where's another one? This is Egon's blanket. They all have the same stitching in the back. Ghostbuster Kittens with the Ghostbuster logo. And the black one is Ray's, and the faded one, I think. Yep, Janine gets the faded one. Yes, and that was Ray being the drama queen. She's okay. They're fine, Mom. Go back to your bathing. Careful, Ray. He went underneath my butt when I was sitting back down. There's no worse way to go than being squished by a butt, huh? A giant butt. We don't want that. Now finish your poop so I can scoop the box. Egon, let him finish. What'd you do, number 1 or number 2? Looks like number 1. Litter box zoomies. You untying my slipper. Attack! These are made by a viewer. It's good for them to have them because their scent gets on them and it's something familiar in the new home. I remember when I bought this house and moved into it, one of my girls stayed underneath my blanket for almost 4 days. She came out to use the litter box and eat, but otherwise she was underneath the blanket because that's what smelled familiar. Looks like she's still producing milk. Bless you. Egon is definitely a little cross-eyed. Ray, not so much. I'm gonna throw you to the shark. I will save you, Egon. I don't need saving. Based on her temperament, I think her bad eye was bothering her. Because she's definitely more tolerant of things now, of me. Okay, Janine's getting sleepy, so I'm gonna step out so you can close that eye of yours. Oh, she started purring and I didn't even touch her. I just made that. Bet if I make the bed, you'll be underneath the covers there too, huh? Okay, let me take care of your litter box. Jeez, you guys untied my slipper again. Their snip day is this coming Wednesday. They'll be gone the entire day. Mama will likely be here. And I'll likely be take her in when I go pick up the kittens to get her stitches removed. I still need to confirm that. I keep forgetting to ask. Excuse me, Egon. There you go, boys. One freshly scooped litter box for your pooping pleasure. Which Egon is currently doing. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.